What do you do for a living?
I'm unemployed right now. I'm looking for a job.
Why are you unemployed? When is the last time you've had a full-time job?
Last year,
How do you eat?
I have family that helps me.
Dude, Mr. McCauley, you're charged with terroristic threat. This is of a family or a household member. As a result, that kicks it up to a Class A misdemeanor, so you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Mr. McCauley has significant criminal history and significant dangerous criminal history, and what I see that he also may be on felony probation as it is.
Yes.
Mr. McCauley, I want you to understand something, that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every single person of Harris County. I don't care who they are. I don't care what color they are. I don't care how tall they are. Every person of Harris County, I will protect. And if that means putting you in custody with an extremely high bond, I will do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm ordering you not to have contact with this person whatsoever for any reason, and I'm now entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Miss DeVoe as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot stalk, threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No one can authorize you to violate this. So if someone were to call and say, hey man, come to this address, and she's there and it's against a protected address, you're still in violation of this order for protection. If you violate it, the state can and will file additional charges against you, a violation of protective order, and then things will really go sideways quick. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, I don't know if you're on felony probation, but if you are, you got to be very, very careful, because it's very possible warrant issues at any time. You understand?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I'm unemployed right now. I'm looking for a job.
Why are you unemployed?
I've been having to go to a class.
You've been what?
I've been having to go to a class and do community service.
How does that prevent you from having a job?
This class is from 9 to 12, and I was still looking for a job before I was arrested.
When is the last time you've had a full-time job?
Last year,
How do you eat? How do you eat?
I have family that helps me.
Dude, it's time to pull your weight. You need to get a full-time job.
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to use or consume illegal drugs or alcohol, and I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, likewise, I will put you into custody. You will not get any more power bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking much, man. I'm just asking you to be nice. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Because if not, there could be a lot to pay. So don't worry about, just, we'll have him sign them up, but don't worry, because we'll have a monitor to make sure he's not
Yes, sir.
using. So, I need you to fill out an application for me to see whether you qualify for an appointed lawyer. I need to know everything about you. Don't just put zeros, because I'm going to send it back to you. I need to know everything about you. Do you understand, Mr. McCauley?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, he'll give you an application. I'm going to have you also come up here, sign the order for protection. We'll have you sign a receipt with Victoria, and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box. Do not leave until we excuse you.
Yes, sir.
All right.